very briefly about the law society formulas, if you could explain the difference, Jenny.
Yeah, sure. In the olden days, I presume they were jumping from office to exchange contract. It is definitely not possible anymore. It's very time consuming. So the formulas used here is as A, B, C. So formula A is when one solicitor, either for the seller or buyer, they hold signed contracts from both the seller and buyer, but one solicitor holds both copies, and then on the telephone by agreement they date the contract, and then the buyer solicitors just send the deposit. That is formula A. And then what the solicitor does is they hold their client's part signed contract and they just send to the other party the other party signed part of the contract. Exchange B is each solicitor holds their own client signed part. So if I'm Olga's solicitor on the sale, I own Olga's signed contract. Oliver's, who is the buyer, his solicitor will hold Oliver's signed part of contract. We get on the phone, we run through the terms, and then we say, okay, we are now exchanged. So we date the contract, we enter the particulars, and then I post Olga's signed contract to Oliver's solicitors, and Oliver's solicitors post Oliver's signed contract to me. That is formula B. This is the most used formula of exchange, formula B, unless we have a chain. So chain kind of makes everything a little bit more complex.
Chain of transactions.
Yes, that's right. Yes. So a chain of transactions is when Olga is not just selling, she also has a purchase. And that purchase, they are not just selling, they also have a purchase. And, it can literally just go on and on until somebody stops, until somebody says, okay, you know what, this is the last transaction. So it is called a chain of transactions.